What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a GitHub Wrap 2024 like this. So let's go. Open up your web browser and type gitwrapped.com. So you can use the link in the description below and come right to this web page. So you just have to enter your GitHub username. So I'm going to enter my GitHub username. So it's Viraj. So I'm going to create my Wrapped 2024. So let's click generate my Wrapped. So they're going to generate, and from here onwards they're going to play some music. I'm not going to play it because so this is a small video clip they're generating, and you can add some music to it, but I'm not going to play it because it may create a copyright strike. So you could download this, or but I'm going to show you guys how to just create, just skip, and boom. This is what I will show you guys how to download this. So click download the summary. So I'm going to click it, and as you guys know, this is very much popular these days. Right in the end of this, everyone is sharing in their LinkedIn, Instagram, or any other social media they like, just to show off what you have done. So I just started my GitHub account this year, in the mid of this year, so don't mind me. So this is it, and you can just open it, and boom, you got your GitHub Wrapped of 2024. So let's see you guys from another video. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below.